From Tamil Nadu, DMK BJP workers in a fist fight. What's happening in our southern states? In Tamil Nadu, we are told that rivalry of the Dravidam Munnetra Kazhagam and the Bharatiya Janata Party workers took an ugly turn. There were literally, we are told, fist blows. Workers were hurled in a violent brawl. On camera, punches, blows, all of that being exchanged, and we'll run that visual as well. But clearly a lot's been happening. We'll try and get clarity on where exactly has this happened. DMK BJP workers, full-on fist fights, scuffle, confrontation, blows exchange. Looks like women also have not been spared in this case. Anaga Keshav joining me. Anaga, tell us more about what exactly happened and where.
So, Pooja, this has happened near Gudiyattam, which falls under Vellore district. We are hearing that there were two factions involved, one faction belonging to the incumbent government DMK and the other faction belonging to the BJP in Tamil Nadu. We are hearing that Kalluri Ravi from DMK and Vinod Kumar, who belongs to the youth wing in the BJP party, both of them, they locked horns with each other, subsequently escalating into a very, very violent confrontation. In fact, as we play out the video, we're able to hear really, verbal abuses being hurled at each other in Tamil, unspeakable kind of words, Pooja, being hurled at each other. When we spoke to Vellore police, they dismissed the allegations about this being a party-based issue and said that both the factions are related to each other and this is nothing but a family dispute, is what the Vellore cops said. But, however, both these parties belong to a political party, and we're also being told that both Kalluri Ravi and Vinod Kumar had a long-standing rivalry with each other, residing in the same neighborhood. They had a long-standing rivalry, and a small verbal altercation resulted in a very violent physical brawl, with many having sustained injuries and being admitted to government hospital. They're all receiving treatment for the injuries that they have suffered. Men and women, both of them are receiving treatment at a government hospital. We need to wait and watch if the party will release any sort of statement, but both the parties have filed complaint with the police station and the investigation is underway.
All right, keep tracking all that and more. So full-on scuffle and violent brawl that took place between the DMK and the BJP workers.